All right, so you've been here before?
Every day, 30 to 40,000 people enter the country through Los Angeles International Airport, and it is the job of U.S. Customs and Border Protection to make sure nothing and no one enters illegally.
We have to facilitate the regular trade and travel while we look for that needle in the haystack. Who's that smuggler? Who's that terrorist? Who's the one that wants to, be part of that group that wants to, cause harm to our country?
These men and women have to analyze the information before them and make those decisions in seconds. But while technology has certainly made the job easier, you still need people on the ground, human interaction, to try to catch the bad guys.
A normal person who's traveling for legitimate reasons is not going to have an issue telling you where they've been and why they're coming to the United States. For a person who has other intent, may not be able to answer those questions correctly, or might seem nervous.
And now, Customs and Border Protection needs additional field officers. For the first time in years, the department is hiring right here in Southern California.
Local residents get to apply for a location like this. Most of our locations are at the southwest borders. Los Angeles is now on the radar.
Connie Salas says she seized $1.3 billion in counterfeit money and bonds, but she is proudest of one single arrest.
The pedophile. Once we were able to inspect, found photos where he was engaging in a sexual manner with the young children, we were able to arrest him and get him off the streets. I think that was probably one of my proudest moments. He no longer is going to hurt these people.
Connie Salas says you can find the information for joining Customs and Border Protection on their website. And the best part of this job is knowing you're doing your part to protect our country.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.